In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a poster using the Cochrane template. To access the templates, go to community.cochrane.org and then click on Organizational Info. Select Resources and click Resources for Groups. Then choose Brand Resources, and here you'll be able to access the Cochrane Community Templates webpage, where you'll be able to find the Cochrane Brand Guideline document, as well as all the different templates. Here, as you'll see, the templates are organized into different folders and into different colors. So what you want to do is download the file and the color that corresponds to your group. And once you've done that, download the zip file. And once you've downloaded the zip file and open up the folder, you'll find subfolders within the file. And what you want to do is locate the folder that is labeled Poster Templates. And once you've done that, you click into that file and you'll be given two templates to choose from. The first template is a landscape template, and the second one is a portrait template. In this demonstration, I am going to work with the landscape template. And so once you've clicked into that, you'll be taken to a PowerPoint presentation that looks something like this. And now in this demonstration, I am using the Mac version of PowerPoint in 2011, which is fairly similar to the Windows version PowerPoint as well. And so as you can see, there are 4 different templates provided. The first 2 are for Cochrane review posters, and the second 2 are for just the Cochrane basic posters. And so in this demonstration, I will work with the first template. And for the ones that you do not wish to choose, what you can do is simply right-click and just delete the slide. And so these poster templates actually provide good content layout, and they are suggested templates, and they do provide the correct color and font that match the Cochrane branding guideline. So aside from the colors that you can choose that correspond to your group, all the blues and all the grays and all the fonts and all the styles should be kept the same, as they do meet the Cochrane branding guidelines. So to start edit, what you want to do is, first off, save the file so that you don't lose any information. And I want to save it. And now I can begin to edit. And so now to begin edit, first off, I want to change the logos. And so as you can see, in this viewing mode, I'm not able to do that. And so what I want to do is go click into Themes, select Edit Master, and select Slide Master. Here in this master viewing mode, I can then click on the logos and edit it. To change the logo, what you want to do is go to Home, select the Picture tab, and select Picture from File. Go to the file you wish to upload, double click on it, and here, as you can see, it uploads. Now, because it's so small, what I want to do is click on the logo, highlight it, and drag it so that it goes a little bit bigger. And what I want to make sure is that I have white space around the logo, as that corresponds to the Cochrane branding guidelines. Same thing for the other logo. What you want to do is highlight it, select Picture, Picture from File, go to your folder, and let's see. Here is the logo. I want to expand it and drag it. Now, because logos are quite different in size, but what you want to do is, this is the suggested area that we want to be placing the logos so that there is enough white space between each of the logos. So what you want to do is highlight this template, delete it, and simply replace it with your logo. And now as you can see, it's a bit too big, so what I want to do is drag the corners and resize it so that it is in the middle. Just like that. And you can play around with it so that you're happy with where it's located. And you've also got the option of uploading a third logo. If you don't want to upload the third logo, highlight this template and just delete it. And once you're finished, close master. And don't forget to continue to save your work. And so now you can continue and start to edit your content. And as I mentioned before, these are the sections have the suggested styles, the suggested fonts, and the suggested font sizes that meet the Cochrane branding guidelines. So you can modify the text according to these guidelines. You are also able to modify these pictures, any of these text, just following these branding guidelines and then inserting it into it after. So anything on the poster you can edit as well. This picture you can edit, these pictures you can edit. To upload a different picture, what you want to do is same thing, go into picture, choose picture from file, maybe choose a picture or a graph that you created and now you want to upload it. And there you go. I've uploaded this. I want to replace this, so what I want to do is highlight the template version, delete it, and I want to click on my graph that I've created and drag it into here, right into where the template was. And now to modify the size of it, I can just click on the corner and drag it in, just like that, and reposition it until I'm happy with how it looks. And same thing for all the rest of the photos. You simply go into picture and select a picture or a graph that you've created. As you can see here, again, all the text sections have specific guidelines that you should follow so that the layout corresponds to the Cochrane branding guidelines. And so these are all, you can edit these, click into it, click it so that your cursor appears and delete the content. And edit your own content. Again, these are templates. You do not have to use each section as it is, but if you do, these are the suggested guidelines that you should follow so that the posters are on brand with the Cochrane guidelines. And so this is how you edit and create your poster using a Cochrane template.